to Whiskey Lake here. We passed Pecors and made it all the way. Good snowstorm the entire way. We were just absolutely covered, but we made it to the lake. We got a bunch of food to cook. I brought out some chicken wings and fries in a big Dutch oven. So we got a bunch of cooking. We're gonna get that started, and we just need to find some firewood here. Alright, we have the fire going. It's going pretty good actually right now. We are going to get cooking once it dies down just a little bit. It's about maybe 4:15 at the moment, so it's a little bit late. Ontario, it gets dark maybe around 5, so I'm going to try to cook this quickly. If we don't get it in time, I'm just going to cook in the dark and drive out of here later. Should be pretty good. We cut down a couple trees to get started. There was already a little bit of firewood here that we got started with, but wasn't really burning the best. We cut down nice hardwood here, burning much better.
Here's a bit more of the trek on the side-by-side before I grab the Dutch oven. We began the trip in Elliott Lake, going 25 kilometers in. The CF Moto was going pretty smooth. You could even say it was a comfortable ride. With the recent snowfall, there was really no match. We even saw some pretty beautiful views. Then, it changed. It begins to be more interesting as the snow gets heavy, and unfortunately it is only about to get worse. With that story over with, let's get to cooking.
Alright, so being in northern Ontario, it's already pretty dark out. I have some vegetable oil here, chicken wings, fries, and buffalo sauce. The way that I'm going to be doing it is I'm deep frying it here, right next to the fire. Start there. I'm gonna do a full-on deep fry, so I'm gonna use a bunch of oil so that I can get it completely submerged. There. I think that should be good there. In just a minute now, I'm going to add the fries and then the chicken strips. The oil has been heated up, recommending somewhere around a 400-degree Fahrenheit temperature. We have our chicken, our delicious chicken here. It's about to go in. As you can hear it, sounds like it's ready to go here. So let's get this started. See how the first one goes. Oh yeah, she's ready. Alright, so since I have a lot of chicken wings in there, not tons of oil, I'm going to keep that lid on so that when the chicken wings go in, it cools down the temperature a little bit, so I want to keep that temperature up. Also not too hot though, but this should be roughly 5 or so minutes. We'll check them out, then we'll throw a couple fries in, that'll be all done. Should be good. Okay, so it's been roughly maybe about 5-ish minutes, slightly longer. Just had a bunch of snow fall down on me. So I'm gonna take them out now. This lid is super heavy. So these guys smell delicious. They look cooked. They're a little bit extra crispy, just how we. That's heavy. Whoops. All right. Look at that. Oh yeah, those are good. I'm just gonna set those in there for now. There we go. Yeah. The oil is just a little bit too hot right now, but that's okay. I'm going to, without delay, throw these fries in here. Not the whole bag, but there we go. Did you get that? lid on there, nice. Have those cooking up for a couple minutes. Now, while those are cooking, I have buffalo sauce here. I'm going to just dump that right into this bowl here. Oh yeah, while these are good and hot, get the buffalo sauce all in there. Now those are looking pretty good. We can stir that up a little bit. Yeah. It goes to show you can have beautiful wings, outdoor cooking, right in the middle of the wilderness. We're like, it took us about an hour to drive out here and we're still cooking delicious wings, fries, we got it all. We're gonna take these guys out. We've been mucking these guys. They are just bomb. Oh yeah. Very, very good. For a minute here. I think they're good. Oh yeah. Just gonna toss those guys on here. Now the downside was, I forgot salt. One trick that I like to do with these is a type of seasoning salt I really enjoy on fries is barbecue chicken seasoning. Works amazing on the fries. It gives it a great flavor and it is also salting them at the same time. Typically I like to have the vinegar, but this will do just fine. What a beautiful meal. Very good. Unfortunately, these are almost done. All right, so we finished up all of the cooking here. We only have one delicious wing left, a couple refried fries. We did the good old New York fries technique. We fried them up the first time, waited just a second, threw them back in. Very, very delicious. They're quite good. We're gonna talk a little bit about the side-by-side here.
Alright guys, so this is our first time taking the CF Moto out in really deep snow, and especially this far in the wintertime. I didn't know what to expect, but we honestly had a great time. The machine pulled through really well, and this is probably going to be one of the last times due to the snow is going to get super deep and it's going to become skidoo season. But so far it's been a good day and she's pulled through good.
Beauty. We're getting ready to the time to head her out of here, so thanks for watching guys. We're gonna rip down this trail. The trail was pretty intense earlier, so it's probably gonna be intense now that it's even dark. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks guys.